Hi friends, today I am going to explain how to push code from our local system to GitHub central repository by using Git software. Git is a software which we need to install in our local system C drive. GitHub is a central repository tool. It is available in online. I hope all the people are aware of these things. So today I am going to explain the topic how to push code from our local system to GitHub central repository by using Git software. So before going to the topic, I would like to tell you the importance of GitHub central repository. Assume client Flipkart has given one project to our organization. They are looking for 10 new application services for their website. That is the requirement they had given to us. So they had given deadline up to July 2022, before which we need to deploy our services in their production environment before July 10, 2022. This is the task, this is the project they had given to our organization. So our organization has assigned that task to our team. Assume our team consists of 3 developers, 2 testers, 1 DevOps engineer. So here what happened, the first activity, once the project receives to our table, the first activity is development activity. So our development, the first developer has taken 3 services. First developer is agreed to develop 3 services, and second developer is agreed to develop 3 services, and third developer is agreed to develop 4 services. So first developer, he is staying in Hyderabad location. Second developer, he is staying in Banglore location. Third developer is staying in USA. So for completion of this development activity, we are giving lead time for 10 days lead time we are giving him. For completion of his 3 services development activity, we are giving him 15 days lead time. We are giving him for third developer, we are giving him for development completion activity for 20 days lead time we are providing to him. So first developer has 10 days lead time. So what happened, the first developer we had given 10 days lead time to complete his development activity. So what happened, he completed his all the 3 services code within the 6 days of time. So he has left for 4 days of time. So he completed complete development activity within 6 days, and he started enjoying for the balance 4 days. Suddenly on 9th day or 10th day morning, some liquids has dropped on his laptop. His laptop is not at all working now. So entire services code is lying in his system only. So what he has to do? So this is the situation he is facing now. So can we make a call to client? Hi client, unfortunately some liquids are dropped on my laptop. Now my system is not at all working. I am unable to push code to your location. So give me some extension time. I will do that work again. The client will accept that one? No, definitely he won't accept. He will scold on you, he will scold you, and he will fire upon you. For avoiding of such situations, organizations are planning to take online GitHub central repository tools. It is like Gmail, Microsoft Outlook tool, a Facebook tool, how they are storing the data itself. Like it is a Gmail, how it works. The GitHub central repository is also similar like that. It is using for storing the data. I hope you understand. You ask, what is repository? Repository is nothing but a folder. In Linux it is called as a directory. So repository, folder, and directory, these three are same, but different places, and it will call it as repository, folder, and directory. All are same. So GitHub is a central repository. It is available in online. So company will take care of that. Even it is Accenture will take care, or TCL will take care of this GitHub. You no need to worry. So what your work is, once developer has developed the code, he has to push that code to GitHub central repository. Suppose he has developed S1 service. After completing this S1 service, he has to push that code to GitHub repository. If once completed S2 has to push, S3 has to push, like developer 2, S4 has to push, S5 has to push, like developer 3 has to push, S6 has to push, S7 has to push. So every code and service, every code related service is available in GitHub central repository. So I hope you understand the concept. So suppose the developer in what I have explained in few minutes back. So first developer laptop has not working due to some internal issue. So he already pushed the code to GitHub central repository. So he already pushed code to central repository within 6 days of time. So after 9th day, liquids are dropped on his laptop. No issue. Already he pushed the code to GitHub central repository. Code is available here. Now he take another laptop from his organization and connect through the GitHub by username and password. He connected to the GitHub and he can download his service or code, and he made some changes, and again he can push the code to the GitHub central repository. So no worry, if it is code is available in GitHub central repository, anytime you can take it for your local system, and if you want to make some changes, you can make, and again you can push it. So this is the importance of GitHub central repository. Now every organization is Accenture, TCS, and every organization will maintain this type of GitHub repository. Not only GitHub, there are many tools like GitHub, like SVM. Lot of tools are available in the market. Not only GitHub, you can check it in internet itself. I am here explaining about the GitHub only. So I hope you understand the concept of importance of GitHub. Okay, so now I am the developer. I am developing the code. So I am going to my desktop. This is my creating. So this is my project name. So I am creating one login page. I am creating one login page. Creating one login page service. Okay. Don't use spaces here. In Linux or some commands, spaces will create a problem. So don't use spaces while naming the folders or file names. So I am opening. I am creating one file. Name it as 1. I am creating another file. Name it as 2. I am creating one more file. Name it as 3. I am creating one more file. Name it as 4. I am creating one more file. Name it as 5. Here inside my file, some code is available. Assume inside that code some code is available. Like all files have some code in their files. Now coming back, I am developing other service. Now I am developing mobile service. Okay. Now I am developing mobile service. So I am maintaining some other code. 8, 9, 10. Assume inside the file some code is available. Assume like that. So these are the services I have developed. It is developing. It is my working area. This is my working area. I am developing code here. So before going to practical, I would like to explain one more topic. So assume this is your working area. Assume this is working area. Once you have completed this F1 file code, F1 file code, you need to push that file to GitHub. Assume this is our working area. Once this file is completed, you need to transfer this file to second stage. The second stage, what we call, it is called staging area. Second stage, it is staging area. Once the file work is completed, you need to transfer the object or file to staging area. Once the staging area, it is lying in staging area, so you need to push that to Git local repository. It's a Git local repository. One folder is available inside our C drive. If the file goes to that Git local repository. So once here it is staging 2, we need to move this file to Git repository. We need to push this code to Git repository. After pushing this code or Git repository, Git local repository, you need to push that code to GitHub central repository. So this is the process. First, this is my working area. Once my file work is completed, I need to transfer this file to staging area. If staging area I need to move this to Git local repository. Once this here the work in progress is completed, I need to push the code to GitHub central repository. This is the work we need to do. So I am explaining here. So this is the working area. So while connecting to my software Git, how I need to check my working area? I am using the code command line. I am using the command line called git status. Git status is a command line which I can see my working area status. Okay. And next, staging. How I need to move file from here to staging area, working area to staging area. How I need to move. So here for that I am using the command called git add F1 file I am transferring. So git add F1 I am mentioned here. Now the file moves to second stage, staging 2, staging area. Now everything is fine. Now I want to move to Git local repository, this file to Git local repository. So what command I will use? Git commit -m. This is the command I will use to transfer file from staging area to Git central local repository. So git commit -m is the command line I will use, and I will mention some message in this quotates, under quotates. After that I will use git push command and I will push my code to GitHub repository. So it's files which are lying in my working area. It is in red color, means it is under working area. Red color means working area. Files, it is in green color. If it is in green color, that file is lying in staging area. Keep remember guys. If files are in red color, it is lying in working area. If files are in green color, it is lying in staging area. Keep remember this point. I hope you understand this concept. Just have a look once. Okay. Now I am going to do the practical. So earlier I had created my Flipkart project. No. So I am opening the login service. I am right click here. Here see Git GUI here, Git bash here. Git GUI is a graphical usage. No, in every organization, in organization level, no one will use graphical level. Everyone will use Git bash. It is a command line. command line access. So you have to use only git bash only. So I am clicking git bash here. So my git is connecting to my system now. My git software is connecting to my system. See, where is my git? Now it is in desktop, my folder, Flipkart login service. So here my git is connecting to this. So I need to initiate this one. Initiate that one. What command I need to write? Git int. Okay. So now my git is initiated. See here it is available master. You can see this type of master means your git is under active and initiated. Okay. So what I explained in PPT, how can I see my working area? So what command I need to use? Git status. So press git space status. See, this is my working area. These are the files 1 2 3 4 5 5. See, this is my service. No, what files are available? 1 2 4 5. It is showing no same files also it is showing here. 1 2 3 4 5 same files it is showing here. I hope you understand. Now the first file is completed. So I would like to move this first file to staging. How I can push? Git add 1.txt. This is the command I will use. So I need to check whether the first file has moved to staging area or not. So how I can check? Use git status command. Press. Now see, the file is in green color. What I said in PPT, if it is in green color, it is in staging area. If it is in red color, it is in working area. So now my first file is in staging area. I hope you people are understand. Next. So I need to give, if you are using the first time the Git software, so Git will ask you, please provide your username and email address. Based on that, the software will know who is pushing the code and who is doing the activity on Git software. So for that, you need to write one code called that is git config hyphen global user dot name. Suppose my name is Sriram, so I am mentioning Sriram. Enter. Now I need to give my email ID also. So git config global user dot email. So what email I need to give? So whatever the organization has provided me email, that email I need to mention here. Whatever the organization has provided one email, no, that email I need to give sriram@accenture.com. So this is the email. So here it is getting an error. Check what I have mistake. I written wrong spelling. Config I had meant. So git config hyphen global user dot email Sriram@accenture.com. Please remember this one. So now it is happened. So now first file is in staging area. Now I want to move this file to Git local repository. I want to move. Now the file is in here. Now I want to move this file to here. What command I need to use? Git commit m. So git commit -m, okay, and mention first file transferred. Whatever you would like to write, you mention as per your nomenclature, you can write. So first, so keep plus enter. So okay, now our file transferred from here to here. How can I know whether it is transferred or not? How can I check? So I will use the command git log command I will use to check whether my file is transferred or not. See, he committed this one, Other Sriram, date 25, generally this Other Sriram, date 25, time, first file has transferred. So now my file is available in Git local repository. Understand, no? So now my file is in Git local repository. So now I want to push the code from GitHub central repository. What command I need to use? Git push u space u. So before giving this one, we need to specify in GitHub location. Before this is the GitHub. This is the github.com. You just type here github.com. Once you sign up on this GitHub, this type of interface you will face. Okay. So before doing that, if you are a first time creator, here it will shows as a create project or create repository, like that it will be there. So I am already an user, that's why it is showing the new. If you are a new user, here it is showing create repository or create project. So click here, click new. So what repository I am making? Which report? Login service. Now my project name is Flipkart 10. Repository name login service. This is my repository. If you want to mention any description as per your requirement, you can mention. It is an optional. If you want, you can mention. Otherwise, leave it. Now I am selecting public option. Now I am creating repository in GitHub. Now it is in public. In real time organization, you must have to give private option only, because in private it will accessible for all your organization related members only. Whoever you have given access, they can only access that code and service. Okay, code related service. Okay. I am for practice purpose, I am using the public only, because if I use the private command, they will charge $2 or $3 per hour. So for this reason, I am using the public option. I am choosing the public option. There is no change for private and public, all are same, but charges will applicable for private. That's why I am checking for public only. So now I am creating the repository. Click repository. Once you create like this, you will get one command. You just copy this one and paste it in your WordPad file. Okay, I will explain this later. Now coming to your GitHub, go to this one. This is the home page. If you click here, it will go. See, your GitHub login service page has created. Okay, So GitHub login page has created. I am opening this one. See, this is the page. GitHub login repository. This is the GitHub login repository. So now I need to push my code from local to here, local system to here. So what I need to do here, one command I need to mention, I need to inform git hi git remote location is there, one remote location is there. So remote add the origin, remote location is there, origin name is this one, so paste there. See, git remote, what type of command I used? Git remote add origin. So I am telling to git, there is a one remote location is there, you need to push code for this location. So this is the command you need, git remote add origin. This type of command you need to enter and press enter. Okay, once enter git, okay, once enter. Now you start push the code. Git, use command git push u origin master. Why you are giving master? Already this URL is linked up to this master. So linked up to this master branch, what is called branch concept I will explain you in the next class. So this already URL is assigned to this master. Okay, so that's why I had given here like this, git push u origin master. If you are a first time user, you will get one dialog box like this. Browser, device or token. You choose token. Here you need to give token option. How you will give, I will tell you. Go to your main home page. Here select this one, click settings, come to bottom, select developer settings, click personal access and tokens, click generate new code. If you click generate new code, already have a code, that's why I am not able to click. So generate new code, click here. You will get this type of interface. Okay, you need to give some, like if you are something like Sriram, you give your email, no issue, sriram369@gmail.com. and expiry you can mention, you can choose here expiry, no expiry you can keep here, and check boxes are available bottom. Check all the boxes, keep tick mark all the boxes, keep all boxes, you can keep check box, tick, you can keep all the check box and create and click generate code. If you create one, the generate code means you will get here one code. Copy that code and paste here. Now you will able to access. Now our Git and GitHub is interconnected. If you are a first time user, this type of problem you will face. If once you connected, next time onwards it won't ask you. So first time user means it will ask you. So once you can connected, so already I am already connected to that GitHub. So I am entering master. It won't ask such type of things. So I am entering. I am pressing enter. See, it is taking some time, but no issue. It will execute. It will taking some time. My internet is slow. That's why it is taking some time. So come to my home. Meanwhile I am doing this activity. Come to my home, GitHub home, click. Now I am clicking on login service. This is the text file, which already the file has transferred to my GitHub central repository. Now my file is available in GitHub central repository. See, it is showing, yeah, enumerating object 3 done, already found. 100% your file has transferred, it is indicating. So my file is now available in GitHub central repository. Now I would like to check Git status, whether it is available there or not. See, nowhere it is showing. Okay, now I would like to transfer. Similarly, I would like to transfer the second file, git add 2.txt. I am testing. Now I will check whether it has moved to my my staging area or not. See, the file has moved to staging area. Now I would like to send this one to Git local repository. What command I need to use? Git commit -m second file transferred. Okay, enter. Second file. I would like to check whether my file is transferred or not. So how can I check? Git log. See, your second file is already available in Git local repository. So now you push Git local repository to Git central repository. How can I push? Git push u origin master. Once you specify the location to the Git, it will take automatically. Again and again you cannot use that URL to the Git. Once you specify it, means it will already stored, so it will automatically take. So if I enter master, means it will, the second file will also move to this GitHub central repository. Will also move to GitHub central repository. Now it is, my internet is little bit slow. Yeah, it's already transferred. See, check done. It's already moved. Now I am refreshing my page. See, second is also available in this. And similarly, now I will check my Git status again. Now 3 files are available. So one file is transferring is difficult to me. All the 3 files work development activity is completed. So I would like to transfer all files at a time. What command I will use? Git add star command I will use. All files will transfer at a time. Git star I use. Check. How can I see? Git status. See, all files are now in 3, 4, 5 are available in Git staging area. So now I would like to move this to Git local repository. Git commit -m. So third file transferred. Like this you have to give, otherwise all files will have 3.3xt. I am saying that 3.txt. This file you move to Git local repository. So I am entering like this. Next you need to mention Git commit -m fourth file transferred 4.txt. Next I would like to transfer Git commit -m fifth file transferred 5.txt. So now I will check my Git log whether the file is transferred or not. Git log. See, fifth file, fourth file, third file, all files are available in Git local repository. Now I want to push this code to Git central repository. Git u push origin master. Origin master. See, all the files are transferred. Now I am going to my GitHub central repository. I am refreshing here. See, my all files are available now. Like this, you have to push your codes or services to the local system to GitHub central repository. This is the way to push code from local system to GitHub central repository by using Git software. Similarly, if you want to transfer, I have other service. Suppose I have other service in my other service, mobile service is available. So I would like to transfer these files is also in GitHub repository. How I can transfer? I can click git bash here. I can click git bash here. It will take time. So what command I need to use? Git initiate. This is the command. See, now master file is coming. Master branch is come. So now my Git is under active. Now my Git is under active. Now I can do work. Now Git status I will check. See, these are the files available. Next, you just add you can push means you want to push git add. Before that you have to create one more repository. Mobiles. Flipkart 10 project mobiles. Like that you have to create one repository before that, then only you can able to add. So this is the thing. So now I am in this file git add. I am using star. All files I want to move. So now I am checking my git status. Now all files are available in staging area. Now I want to move to git local repository. Git commit m 10 dot txt, something I don't have time, 10.txt. Git commit m 9.txt. Git commit -m 8 or something, no, it's there, no, 8.txt. Now git log, I want to check git log. Okay, yes, now all the files are on. Now I want to git push u origin master. Now what it is throwing an error. See, it does not specify the repository, so I need to specify the repository where it has to move. The location does not found by git, so I have to mention the location. So how can I mention? Git one remote location I am adding here. Git add origin. This is my location. Copy that URL. Copy that URL. Copy that URL. Paste here and press enter. Now see, git push u origin master. Push origin master. Now see all Now see all files. I'm in mobiles repository now. I'm in mobiles. See 8, 9, 10 are shown here. This is the way you need to push your code from local system to GitHub central repository by using the Git software. Sometimes your manager will ask you, so your manager don't know the Git software how to use. He asks you, I want to push directly, but in real time, if you are real time employee, you don't do this. If your manager do this, that's okay, but you can't do this. I am saying for this is the option. This is also one option is available. I am explaining you. That is the thing, but don't use this type of things in organization. Here the add file, upload file. You can choose file from, or you can drag it here. So something I am using this one now, Flipkart 10. I would like to take this one. I am selecting this one. Yeah, one text file has come. So git commit. So something you need to mention git commit messages means you have to mention, but don't use this option in organization. When your manager asks something like this, you have to explain like them. Like this option is also available. If you want to push, you can push like this. You instruct to your manager, but you don't do this activity. You have to push like Git by using Git software only. I hope you people are understand the concept how to push the code from local system to GitHub central repository by using Git software. Thank you guys. If you are understand, give me one like. If you are giving more likes, I will do more videos like this. And subscribe my channel and subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you guys. More likes I am expecting from you. More likes I am expecting.